स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम नया चैप्टर वेपर पावर साइकिल डिस्कस करेंगे। वेपर पावर साइकिल दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द स्टडी ऑफ अप्लाइड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स। बेसिकली वेपर पावर साइकिल कंसिस्ट ऑफ फॉलोइंग बेसिक साइकिल, दैट इज रीहीट cycle, second one is binary vapor cycle, third one is cogeneration cycle. First we discuss about reheat cycle. As the name implies, meaning of reheat means heating more than one times. As block diagram of the power plant consists of number one part steam generator, that is also called boiler. That is boiler. Steam generator means equipment that produces steam. We discussed earlier in the unit second boilers chapter. Here process starts in the boiler, steam generation starts. Through point 1 it goes in the turbine first. But here we not focus for the resultant या work output or the geared generator. Generator portion we consider in the turbine second only. Here output obtained in the form of generator, in the form of work output in the second turbine T2. Start from the point 1, steam enters in the turbine 1 and exhaust through the point 2 and supplied in the another section, that is called superheater. That is the basic accessories of the boiler we discussed in unit second chapter. Superheater used for the heating more and more. As we see points 2, steam enters in the superheater and then heated steam again follows the path point 3 and enter into turbine second. Then with the help of shaft we get the resultant or output with the help of generator. G means generator. We know that any machine can't convert 100% input into the output. So we see the point 4 as a exhaust point through the turbine 2. Point 4, steam is in the exhaust form. Goes into the another mechanical device that is known as condenser, which condenses the steam. Means स्टीम एग्जॉस्ट स्टीम का तापमान कंडेंसर जो है कूल करेगा, ठंडा करेगा और कन्वर्ट इनटू अगेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड. Steam converted in the form of liquid and goes in the pump which supplies the liquid again in the boiler. So boiler again works and generate the steam point 1, and this process goes again and again. So conclude the heating more than one times. In the block diagram we can see once boiler starts at point 1, again exhaust steam goes in the superheater with the path 2, and then get the resultant through the point 3 in the turbine second. Turbine second expands and work done is completed. That is the reheat cycle. Basically, reheat cycle steam is first extracted from the suitable point. That is the reheat cycle. Basically, it used for the advantages as the point dryness fraction that improves dryness fraction. That is only advantages we consider as advantages. It also increase thermal efficiency of the plant. Thermal efficiency of the plant. But some limitation also. That is cost of the plant increased. Cost of the plant increased. It also improves the increases cost. As well as condenser capacity also. That is the basic reheat cycle.